Alright, there we go. That is, what the hell is that? Oh, right, it's a building. But of what? Now this thing is just absolutely amazing. I would guess that this is, I don't know, maybe the House of Parliament or something. What the hell is that? It's like a big clock.
I don't know, what is that?
I don't know. I've never been here, so, like, I think, no, that's definitely the House of Parliament. So, I mean, I know I've seen it in a magazine before. Alright. Now I just got to get pictures of this place. Alright, so since getting here, our first mission apparently is to get her batteries.
Alright, you missed it.
Well then, mission completed. You can hear that? That's Big Ben. It's ringing. That is amazing. Let's do that one more time. Yeah. I've just come upon this thing, which I guess is like a skating rink. People like to hurt themselves. If I go around, get a better shot of this whole thing. Graffiti here is just like, I'm not for graffiti or anything, but I just think this looks amazing. And there's another guy who fell down. Glad I got that on video. So, all they do is skate. Maybe I'll catch a cold trick or something. Pretty cool to look at, I think.